Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you press Frank in Dying Light 2. During the main story mission called The Breakthrough, Frank is gravely wounded by a poisoned arrow. You, as Aiden, are immediately faced with a critical, timed decision. Either stay and help Frank or chase after the truck responsible for the attack. This choice has far-reaching consequences for Frank, Lowen, and the entire city. If you choose to help Frank, Aiden immediately prioritizes his survival. You will embark on a quest to find Margaret, a skilled herbalist, who can craft an antidote for the potent poison. Successfully completing this task ensures Frank's recovery. This decision also influences Lowen, as she stays by Frank's side, preventing her from pursuing a path of vengeance against Colonel Williams. Conversely, if you decide to chase the truck, Aiden leaves Frank to his fate. Despite your efforts to track the renegades, Frank will unfortunately die from the poisoned arrow. This outcome deeply affects Lowen, who becomes consumed by a desire for revenge. Her focus shifts entirely, preventing her from embracing her role as a night runner and altering her personal journey significantly. The choice regarding Frank has profound implications for the game's overall narrative and available endings. Saving Frank opens the path to what many consider the best ending, where the city thrives under Night Runner leadership. His survival also allows for the Night Runners to be officially reinstated. However, if Frank dies, the city's leadership may crumble, and Lowen might not accompany Aiden at the story's conclusion, leading to a more somber outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.